She's wined and dined on mulligan stew and never wished for turkey, as she hitched and hiked and drifted too from Maine to Albuquerque. Alas, she missed the Beaux-Arts ball, but what is twice as sad, she was never at a party where they honored an old coward. But social circles spin too fast, you see. Her whole Bohemia is the place to be. She gets too hungry for dinner at 8. She loves the theater and doesn't arrive late. She wouldn't bother with someone she'd hate. That's why the lady is a champ. Doesn't like dice games played with barons and earls. She won't go to Harlem decked out in ermine and pearls. She will not dish the dirt with the rest of the girls. That's why the lady is a champ. She loves the free, fresh wind in her hair, life without care. She's broke, but it's oak. She hates California, it's so foggy and damp. That's why the lady is a champ. Hungry to wait up for dinner at 8. She adores the theater and doesn't arrive late. She wouldn't bother with someone she'd hate. That's why the lady doesn't like crap games played with barons and earls. Won't go to Harlem decked out in ermine and pearls. She will not dish the dirt with the rest of the girls. That's why the lady is a champ. She loves the free, fresh, wild, groovy wind in her hair, life without care. She's broke, but it's oak. She hates California, it's overcrowded and damp. That's why the lady, that's why the lady, that's why the lady is a champ.